In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on FBS. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create your account. For me, I just have a demo account right now, as you can see, but this will do because I'm only going to teach you how to start trading. So here, just click on the demo account or your real account, and you'll be able to see your login and then your server and then your password as well, which you can generate over here. And that's all you need to actually get started. Here on the right-hand side, you can also get the trading platform for, of course, whatever you want to do. So here you can do Android, you can do Windows, Mac OS, or use the web trader. For me, I just like to use MT5, the desktop version, so I have downloaded that. And then when you do it here, it's very easy to connect. Just open up MT5, click on the file top left, and click on open an account. And then here you want to search for FBS and click on find your company. What this is going to do is going to find FBS markets. Just click on next. And then here, you're going to have to click on this button which says connect with an existing trade account. And in here, you want to type in your number, your account number, so your login, and then also your password. So I have it over here. There we go. And then select if it's a demo or a real account. For me, it's a demo. So I'm going to click on finish. And there we go. Now I'm connected with my FBS. As you can see, FBS TradeStone demo account here inside MT5, and I can go ahead and start trading right here inside MetaTrader. I could go and click on new order up top. I can select the type of order, the symbol, the volume, stop loss, take profit, etc. And then I can buy or sell by that order. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.